أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal and you are watching the qualities of the Arabic letters. Inshallah, in this class we will learn the quality without opposite, which is Al-Istitaalah. So what is this quality and which letter has this quality and how to read whenever this quality comes in that letter? Inshallah, everything about this we will learn in this class. So before going to start our lesson, make sure to subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes and don't forget to click on bell icon for new videos. You can visit our website www.islamicclasses.com for further information. Now we start. Here is the permanent characteristics without opposites. This is the quality number 7, which is without opposites, and that is Al-Istitaalah. Literally means prolongation, like we long little bit. Prolongation, that it is called Al-Istitaalah in English. Technically, it is the prolongation of the sound throughout its makharaj, from its beginning till the end. And what is that? Inshallah, I tell right now. This quality is found only in the letter Dad, right? So the first of all, you have to remember, if you watch my Makharij videos, so you may know that about the makhraj of Dad, which is like when we touch the sides of the tongue on the roots of upper molars. That is the basically makharaj of Dad. And right now we are learning the quality which Dad letter has. These qualities basically differentiate from other letters. If you add the qualities in the letters, so the qualities basically differentiate the sounds between the letters. Okay, like dal is like light's letter, that is dal, and here is Dad. So it has the quality of Al-Istitaalah, Al-Itbaq, and dal doesn't have that. So what is Al-Istitaalah now? As we read, it means prolongation. After the makhraj of Dad, you look this image here, that the sound comes from the vocal cords to the mouth. Okay, what they are saying in the definition, like it is the prolongation of the sound throughout its makhraj. Like the makhraj is the sides of the tongue touches on the roots of upper molars. So all of this place, all, and this place we call Hafatul Lisan, and there is this purple one, and the yellow one we call Taraful Lisan. So basically when tongue touches this complete place on the upper side, so you can see this condition there, like of tongue, the sound comes, or its blockage here of the sound. And what happened, how we can long it, prolongation, how is, so when the sound comes here, so you will see your tongue little bit move to the Sanaya Ulia, up to here, as you can see in this image, not too much. If you move your tongue too much, so it will be another letter sound, that is Za, Zal. So make sure that your tongue move up to the starting of the Sanaya Ulia, or you can say that the root of the Sanaya Ulia, right, from its beginning till the end is like this place. So what happened, and the back side of the tongue move or going to the upside due to Al-Istitaalah quality, and the sound is blocking here between the tongue and the roof, and that is the quality of Al-Itbaq, right? You read already that. And now Al-Istitaalah, like when the sound comes here on this place, then what happened, the very minor, this tongue moves to the mouth, to the Sanaya Ulia, and let's read the example of this. Maybe then you will understand it. So we say the example we read here now, walau, look, we are little longing, walau dhalin, walau dhalin, right? This place is like little very minor prolongation is there, that is due to Alistitaalah quality. And here we say fadrib, we cannot say fadrib, fad. If we say like this type of sound, so that is qalqala sound, which is wrong here. There is no qalqala quality in the dad letter, so we only block the sound and then we say fadrib, and we make it the quality of Alistitaalah in this letter, so it will be little long. We say again fadrib, and here is duriba, duriba. Maybe you are looking why this one more question is coming to mind, that if the letter has a sukoon or shad sign, at that time we make these qualities, or if fatha kasra dhamma like zabar zer pesh kam, at that time also we make the qualities. So the answer is that all qualities of the Arabic letters have sifa, like the quality, even it has a sukoon sign or even the letter has fatha kasra dhamma. So every time the quality is still in that letter. Okay, like the quality will be in that letter, even you read with sukoon, or like even sukoon sign comes on that letters on the in the qualities, or even that letter is mutaharrik, like fatha kasra dhamma is coming on that letter. In both conditions the qualities are exist in the letters. All right, and that's why we are saying bu, riba, bu, or I say ghayril maghdubi, but one difference is there. If sukoon sign comes on these qualities, so at that time the quality will be very clear. Okay, and but if fatha kasra dhamma comes, then the quality is not too clear, but still that quality exists in that letter. This is the difference basically. So for example, we say like if sukoon sign is here on the dot, so we say against of the other word, which is do. So do is also have Alistitaalah quality, Al-Itbaq quality, Al-Istitaalah quality, but it is little fast. Like after this letter there is another letter, so due to this letter we read this letter fast, but still the quality is in that letter as well, as the quality is in sukoon letter, like sakin. The dal is sakin here, so we again say fadrib, and here duriba. Okay, so the quality is still there, the all qualities are still there, even the letter has a sukoon sign or shad sign, or even the letter has a fatha kasra dhamma. So I hope you understand this difference between the letters. And one thing more, that if qalqala letters, like qalqala letters, there are 5 qalqala letters, kutubu jaddin, if that 5 letters have sukoon sign like that, at that time basically we make qalqala. Otherwise, if qalqala letter have the fatha kasra dhamma, so we do not make qalqala sound on that one. Only if sukoon sign comes or shad, that at that time we make qalqala, otherwise no. This is only one exceptional quality, otherwise all qualities except of this qalqala. So the all qualities of Arabic letters have like that sifa, even the letter has a sukoon sign or even the letter has fatha kasra dhamma. So I hope you understand this. You can see also in the image, look, the tongue is little moving to the forward, to the mouth. Okay, that is om. So this is basically the thing. This is Al-Istitaalah quality. This is little prolongation. If you pronounce other letters, so this so you will not see in that letters this quality like the prolongation. But some people are maybe confused between Rakhava and Alistitaalah. So the difference between that is that in Al-Istitaalah quality there is only tongue basically move to the mouth, and in Rakhava quality there is continuation of the sound. Okay, this is different. So in the Rakhava, the continuation the sound like al, there is the continuation of the sound, and here only tongue is moving. If you have any kind of question in this quality, so you can comment under this video. So alhamdulillah, we have finished the all qualities like with opposite and without opposite. So inshallah, now we will see in the next class, we will compare all letters quality, like which letters have which quality, and that inshallah on one place we will compare. So keep watching my tutorials and see you in the next class. So don't forget to watch my next tutorial. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.